what is that? The delta, जैसे हम यहाँ पे लिखे delta Q by Q, है ना? Then delta I divided by I. This is my formula. Please write down that income elasticity of demand का formula क्या होगा? ना delta Q by Q divided by delta I by I. We are replacing the P or we are replacing P with I. I is for income. That means when income increases, quantity demand किस तरह से increase होता है? That is by elasticity of demand. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now ये जानना जरूरी क्यों है ना? ये जानना क्यों जरूरी है? Because suppose for example एक सेलर है जो डिसाइड करता है कि लाइक लोगों का सैलरी क्या है, लोगों का इनकम क्या है. सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल कि one person wants to open up a business in a metro city. Okay, metro city. So over in the metro city, you can understand the people have at least a certain class of people have a certain more than average income, है ना? Or income class people is high. So it is what? Because they know that when income is high, the quantity demand for various products is also high. And when income is low, the quantity demand for various products is also low. So it's generally they are positively related. Means income and quantity demand are positively related. When income increases, quantity demand is also increases. Is it clear, everybody? That means कोई भी seller या business person can easily think of कि whatever the price I charge or whatever the quantity I'm producing, because people have income, people definitely buy the product. Okay? So if somebody is interested to open a particular shop in a village, so the person will think of कि what is the income of the villagers? If I open up this particular business or if I open up a particular selling a particular product, whether the villagers will buy my product or not, because it's backed by income. Are you getting me? That means here also I'm connecting with one dependent variable and one independent variable. So my Q is dependent variable where I is my independent variable. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
right, okay. So now, suppose if I say another concept, अच्छे से सुनो कि income elasticity कभी-कभी negative भी होता है. Negative मतलब कि opposite direction में जाता है. कैसे? The income increase होता है, but quantity demand decrease होता है. ऐसा कहीं पे होता है क्या? Can you tell me anybody? कि is there any such thing happening कि when income and quantity demand are inversely related? ऐसा कहीं पे भी होता है क्या? Can you think of? Can anybody tell me when the income and the quantity demand are inversely related? Yes. So generally what we know that for every kind of product, the income when it is increases, quantity demand also increases, isn't it? But suppose, for example, suppose one student, the student who is just in school, so for the student, the cycle is the very important factor, isn't it? साइकिल से आना जाना सबके लिए बहुत important हो जाता है साइकिल. But वही boy, the same boy, is when he gets a particular job, start earning something. So cycle become an inferior for the student. Are you getting me? Can you relate with me? Yes. So that means that for certain product की income increase होने से इनका demand कम होना start होता है ना? जैसे for example कि suppose मुझे बिरयानी खाना बहुत पसंद है. पॉकेट मनी मिलता है कि monthly one time I take biryani from the roadside vendor. Okay. But when my income comes, when I start earning, so I can have what? I can have a more quality biryani from good restaurant. That means अगर vendor के पास बिरयानी का प्राइस कम ही हो गया, I'll not buy. Are you getting me? That means when income increases, some product demand decreases. है ना? वो प्रोडक्ट को बोला जाता है इंफीरियर प्रोडक्ट. इंफीरियर प्रोडक्ट मीन्स तब हमारे लिए वो प्रोडक्ट इंफीरियर हो जाता है जब हमारा इनकम इंक्रीज होना स्टार्ट होता है. इज इट क्लियर? Is it clear? As I have rightly said कि when a person starts earning, then cycle का price अगर decrease भी हो जाए, even 10 रुपए भी हो जाए, yes, for himself or herself, the cycle will go more demanded because उनका capacity और purchasing capacity increase हो गया है. The person can afford the bigger car or bike, but cycle become what? Cycle become an inferior for that person. Is it clear, everybody? So what do you mean by inferior good? If I ask the definition, what way will you say? क्या बोलोगे अगर कोई पूछे इनडायरेक्टली? यस यस यस. Very good. That product called inferior, है ना? Very good. So income elasticity positive भी हो सकता है, negative भी हो सकता है. So you have to relate with कि when it is positive, then the product is normal, and when the result is negative, then the product is inferior. Is it clear, everybody? Yes. Okay. So if you see that generally the income elasticity curve is like upward rising. That means higher is the income, higher is the quantity demand. But for inferior goods, it is like what? That देखो, for inferior goods, the demand curve is negative. That means when the income is increasing, quantity demand is decreasing. है ना? अगर हम ऐसे ड्रॉ करेंगे तो हमको दिखाई देगा कि जब इनकम इंक्रीज होता है, क्वांटिटी डिमांड फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट डिक्रीज होता है. इज इट क्लियर, एवरीबॉडी? कैन आई गिव एन क्वेश्चन? कैन आई गिव यू क्वेश्चन? ओके. सो आप एक काम करो, यही सेम चीज को, यही क्वेश्चन को मैं और एक बार इसको कॉपी करके यहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत चेंज कर देती हूँ, so that you can understand. Can you get it? The next question. So you please find out the income elasticity of demand.
Is it 1190.47?
ए इतना ज्यादा आया? डेल्टा क्यू बाई क्यू कितना आया? 50 बाई 100 ना?
Yes, ma'am.
फिर उसके बाद
Oh, sorry, sir. It is
Madam, I think it will be 0.003.
0.003. अच्छा, let me find out. I have not calculated. Let me find out from others' result. How much is your delta I by I, Pratap ji?
it is 1.44.
Please check it. I think it is correct. Can you show it? Somebody has done 1 point something. Can you show it? Oh, some. Okay, madam. Achha, nothing is visible. Okay, no problem. Okay, I just wanted to know what you have got delta Q by Q. How much you have got? 50 by 100.
50 by 100 is
Then divided by delta I by I.
15,000 divided by 35,000.
Original, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So अभी कितना हो गया फिर? Then 50 by 100 उसको अगर उल्टा कर देंगे, then 35,000 ऊपर गया, नीचे आया 15,000. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो कितना हो रहा है अभी देखो तो? नीचे 100 ऊपर कट जाएगा, 35 350 हो जाएगा. 350 into 50 divided by 35,000, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
मैम again
नहीं, again का वो बात नहीं है. यहाँ पे only calculation you have to do. Just a minute. Can you see the board? No, you cannot see, ना? Just a minute. मैं यहाँ पे solve करती हूँ, आप देखना मुझे, हाँ? What I have to do? I have to do. This is my delta. This is I is equal to
not
not visible. Okay, I'm not shared. Yes. Just a minute. Can you see now?
ma'am. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm writing down Q into I. इसको उल्टा करके ओरिजिनली हम लिख रहे हैं. So this is my delta Q is how much? Is 50, है ना? Divided by original quantity demand is equal to 0. This is my original. This is my 35,000, and this is my how much?
15,000.
15,000. So it is altogether how much? This cut, this cut, this cut. Is it okay? So how much? Is 5 5 are 25, then 17. Am I correct?
I just take it on alternative basis. Delta I is divided by
Now I think 1 point something will be the answer. Everybody got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So now if you have to write down what is the elasticity, it is more than 1, so it is elastic. Is it clear? हाँ, so हमको interpret करना पड़ेगा, है ना? Interpret the result. So the result is more than 1, that means it is elastic. और क्या करना पड़ेगा? Because the result is positive, then the product is normal good. The product is normal good. है ना? Please write down. So again I'm giving another question. I'm giving you another question. So here मैं सिर्फ इसको उल्टा कर देती हूँ. हाँ. Yes. Just a minute. इसको थोड़ा correction कर लो everybody. That I have written quantity demand for a product X is decreasing होगा because you know 150 से 100 हो रहा है. So by mistake I have not changed this word. It should be decreasing. Please everybody be with me. And it is decreasing. Zero point 467. So what type of elasticity it is? Very good. And is there any minus sign? Minus sign तो होगा definitely. Because change price. हाँ ठीक है मैं तो करूँगी but how far you are getting it मैं तो वही समझना है मुझे. देखो see that. देखो यहाँ पे मैं ये इसको सब ये कर देती हूँ. Is it visible whatever doing I am doing? Okay, so I'm doing this.
ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఏమన్నా ఏంటి అది
Okay. Now you see that what is my change Q? If change Q means it is negatively changed, है ना? 150 से 100 हो गया. That means what is my change? My change is minus 50. Are you getting me? Hello?
Yes.
So minus 50 by 100 because my change is
ده هذا
negative.
إيه من
Are you getting me? And this is my
ये कब ज़्यादा
income.
मन
What is my original income?
35,000.
ठीक है
35,000 divided by ये
15.
positive change है. Positive change है so we don't have to mention any negative sign. Are you getting me?
मैम वो 100 होगा या 150 होगा?
अच्छा sorry 150 ना original कितना था?
50.
हाँ yes. You are correct. Now I am happy that you are correcting me. Okay. Now it is what? We have to do what? We have to cut this, है ना? So whatever the result will come, it will come in the same of minus sign. Are you getting me? Hello? So the result is minus. That means income elasticity is minus. That means the product is inferior good. Is it clear everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I'm just taking 5 minutes break.